Hi guys, welcome back. So still in the process of reorganizing and tearing apart a room. So doing another unboxing. Just got in the Curated Beadbox today. I will be doing some tutorials probably next week. The electrician comes tomorrow, so thank God for that. So we're going to take a look at July's Curated Beadbox, and so I'm still down in my dining room, and I put a towel down so that the blue wouldn't kind of mask the colors, because this month's Curated Beadbox is called Bayou Blues, and I have not opened it yet. I started to here just because I needed to cut that. So it comes with a bunch of stuff here, and we'll be going through these and taking a look at what we've got. And I'm excited. I'm really excited to see this. Kind of going along with Bargain Beadbox's blue theme this month. So, Curated Beadbox, and actually I'll just do this on camera with you, comes in, it's wrapped in tissue paper in the box. And you open it up and you've got your findings. You know, comes with everything you need there. And then all of the beads are in the tissue paper. So I'm going to set these off camera just so I can go through them one at a time with you. I'm going to tuck the tissue paper out of the way. And the first thing is 12mm golden spot marble style. And that's what these are. These are very fun. These, I mean, they're brown, they're blue, they're white. That's going to be a very fun set of beads. We'll set those there. Next is 10mm brown spotted marble glass beads. That's these. Again, we've got some blue spots on it, actually turquoise spots there. Dark brown. I'm not sure I would put those with those unless I had something in between them, because that's a lot of spots for me, but these are fun. These are very fun. They kind of remind me of when you drop food coloring onto salt and water and it makes those little like dots, but those are very pretty. 8mm turquoise marble style glass beads. 8mm turquoise marble style glass beads. That would be these. These are just gorgeous. These, I'm in love with these beads. I love this color. It's very vibrant. Reminds me of an ocean, to be honest. Next, we have brown crystal crackle frost duo. That are these. I love these beads. I use these a lot in my jewelry, especially when you're trying to do like a fall theme. I will use these to make like earrings with maple leaves or add oranges and stuff to them. I love these. You can do them in Christmas colors too, red and green. They're very fun and versatile because they go, you can do so many things with them. I love that. Next we have 8mm turquoise gemstone beads. Oops, we don't want those yet. That's what these are. Turquoise, so they're variegated, different colors. I mean, that would make, you know, a cute little bracelet right there. Very pretty turquoise beads. Next is 8mm Lapis gemstone beads. I love Lapis Lazuli. We had these in the Bargain Beadbox this month too. So Lapis, great color. Some of them, when you get them, if you get a good quality lapis, and I don't know if you can see that in there. There is little flecks of metallic in them. Very, I mean, just ever so slightly when the camera hits it, or when the light hits it at the right angle, I can see the flecks. So these are really good quality lapis beads. Next we have 8mm gray-brown gemstone beads. Those are pretty. Looks like maybe agate. I'm liking those. 6mm brown spray glass beads. That's these. Very nice. Little white spots on them. Very, very pretty. 6mm turquoise bloom spray beads. So that's these. I wouldn't call those quite turquoise. I would almost call those like a sky blue, cobalt blue. I don't know, but they're, this is turquoise to me, but I don't know. Azure, but I wouldn't call these turquoise, but they're very, very pretty. 16mm Galaxy Luster glass beads. That would be these. These are huge, huge beads. Very big glass beads. They've got like clear on one side, metallic color on the other, like mirror finish. Those are very pretty. I can see those making a great big chunky necklace. Next we have 12mm blue galaxy beads. And that would be these. Again, the blue galaxy. I'm loving the finish on these. I don't know if you can see those. Each one has a different finish around it, so it looks slightly different. But they're blue. Very nice, very pretty. Depending on the angle that you look at them, they might look clear. So like this one looks clear that way, but as soon as you turn it on its side, it's blue. Very, very nice. So you get 6 of those as well. Might have to do something fun with that. 10 by 6mm silver metal spacer beads. So these are fun, fun spacer beads. I can see those being on a necklace, for a pendant, as a drop for a pendant, maybe like that, and have something hanging down here, as a bracelet on the arms of for your bracelet. Those are fun. I like those. I can't wait to use those. And then next we have, oh, I'm sorry, those were 34 by 6 silver filigree metal tubes. Sorry. I got those mixed up with these, which are 10 by 6mm silver metal spacer beads. And I don't know if you can see these very well. I'm going to pick up a couple here and see if we can get them up in the camera and focused. Try to focus on those better. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. They've got a little bit of a design to them. So those are going to be fun. So yeah, so this is the beads. So I can see myself, and I'll just show you what I was thinking here while I'm looking at these. I like this and this together. I mean, that's like got an ocean feel. And then that, and maybe that would give you kind of an oceany. I wouldn't call it bayou, but I'd call it ocean. And then I could see me doing those together as a color, like that maybe. And then if we're looking at the grays, I can see the blues and the grays there. I like these together a lot. The browns and the blue. So I could see doing, again, a lot with this lapis. Wish there was just more of those because I really like that color. So yeah, so these are the Curated bead box for July. And I'm very excited and looking forward to working with these. And so hopefully coming up very soon, I will have a tutorial. Like I said, tomorrow the electrician comes. So quick little story before I go. The wall that I was tearing out was actually not a wall. The previous owners of the house that I bought put up a closet with 1/2 inch by 1 inch pieces of plywood or wood. Like they're not even, it wasn't even enough to support the wall. And they literally just built a 3-foot wide frame and put sheetrock up and called it a wall. Anyways, it's coming down. Electrician's coming tomorrow, so I should be back to doing tutorials hopefully on Friday. So I may post 2 this week. I may post the unboxing you'll be seeing it, well, tomorrow actually will be Thursday. You'll be seeing it on Thursday, and then Friday I will probably be videoing a tutorial and then publishing that maybe this weekend. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.